Hey, good morning, everyone. Okay, before going to anything else, what I have shared you on the class. Does anyone want to say anything? Okay. So what I have shared you on the classroom, if you remember, I have told you all the students should enroll for this course. For that, we must know what is SWAYAM courses. Actually, I was not having any lecture from the last 2 days, so that's why I haven't given you a in detail description for that. So what I have to tell you that your SWAYAM courses are these are freely run courses. You have to just give a fees for a exam only. Okay, 1000 जो फीस अब मैडम ने बोला है वो सिर्फ आप अगर एग्जाम दोगे तो वो फीस आपको पे करना पड़ेगा अदरवाइज इट इज फ्रीली रनिंग कोर्सेज so let me show you how to open this one. As I am the mentor for this one, so you have to select me as a mentor whenever you are going to join the course. Okay. So is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You have to search simply Swayam NPTEL courses. You can search where you have freely done all the courses. You can see all the NPTEL lectures here. Just you have to create a login and all, and then you are able to access all the courses. There are so many courses in mathematics and even they have courses in artificial intelligence, data analysis, and filmmaking का है, direction का है, सभी all type of courses are there. You can see there are 26 institutes are partnering them. They have completed 3,496 courses. Is the screen visible to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The number of student enrolled is a count given exam registration. Okay, enroll जितने student करते हैं उतने सभी लोग exam देते हैं ऐसा नहीं है. So you can see the count of enrolled student is large and the exam registration कितने student ने exam registration किया है. Right, and successful certification, that means those who student get passed in that particular course they are going to give you certificate. Okay, sign in or register. As I have already an account, so I have to directly sign it. Just I will suggest everyone to use a Gmail account whenever you are going to register for the course. Everyone have to register and you have to enroll for the course whatever I told you. जितने मैंने courses बोले, I think I have told you one course for the basic real analysis, and the second one is about graph theory. If you want to register, you can, but basic real analysis you have to register compulsory. Okay, so use a Gmail account whenever you are going to create a Swayam courses, sign in or register. Okay, if you want to open any account in Swayam, so just use a Gmail which is working. Okay, you should operate this because many emails are coming from there that new courses are come, and if you are going to have join for course every day they are going to send you the email that they give you a link of a lecture, link of the assignment for the lecture, link of the notes, everything is given in the email itself. Okay, so now you can able to see here my login is there, and then I can go for the my courses, and in that my courses as I am joined as a faculty, if you have joined as a student, so at that time you will see, let me show you the interface for that. Okay. So here you can see the upcoming courses or ongoing and whatever the courses I have completed. Okay, मैंने कोई 1000 फीस दे के courses complete नहीं किए. हाँ, daily you have to watch the lecture, you have to submit the assignments. Okay. So I have mostly completed the courses which I need for my research. That is some of the courses from the heat transfer, then introduction to research, in some of the courses which we like. I like the architectural conservation of history. I have some interest in history, so you can also go for the some of the courses which you like. And compulsorily you have to register for the course of basic real analysis. Okay, let me show you. Here is a course, and directly then you can go for the go to course. And after opening in the go to course, whenever you are going to operate this on a mobile phone, just use a desktop view so that it will be easy for you whenever you are going to open any course. Okay, so here they have been given what is a course and when it is going to start, who will run this. The name of this person is IK Rana and he is from IIT Bombay. So without going to IIT Bombay or without having any admission to IIT Bombay, we can have their lecture. Okay, बहुत अच्छे से सिखाते हैं वो. Mostly I have also done many of the courses. So you can see the detailed course layout they have given week 1, 2, 3, and even they have given you courses certification कैसे होगा, right? And the course details are given about the course. Okay, so you can see how many students has been enrolled, 337. The count will increase because the course has been not started yet. Okay, start date for the course. This is 24 January. So you have to join the course as early as possible. 12 weeks means what? Near about 3 months it will be going on, and after that you have to appear for the exam. And if you are going to appear for the exam, there are some criteria. That means you should submit all the assignments on time. कुछ क्राइटेरिया है कि असाइनमेंट में आपको अगर 30 मार्क्स है या डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कोर्स, कोर्स के हिसाब से आपको असाइनमेंट में अगर 30 मार्क्स है तब टोटली 30% कंसिडर करते हैं वो, राइट. सो अगर 8 में से अगर आपने 6 असाइनमेंट सॉल्व किए and suppose if you have solved all the 8 assignments, so if you have solved all the 8 assignments, so they are going to consider the best 6, that means जिसमें आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स है. So and then they will convert it into 30%, and based on that you can be eligible for giving the exam, and that is online and you can come to Solapur itself. So the fee, exam fees is optional for 1000 rupees only. That means अगर आपको एग्जाम देना है तो आप दे सकते हो. एंड आई विल सजेस्ट एवरीवन टू गिव द एग्जाम, क्योंकि आपको आईआईटी बॉम्बे का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड वन कोर्स फ्रॉम आईआईटी बॉम्बे एंड इट विल बी useful for your future also, whenever you are going to appear for any interview. And okay, so you can see here how the marking system is given for every course. The number of assignments are different and number of marking are different, and total exam is 100 मार्क्स का एग्जाम होता है. और मे बी इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू कोर्स, इट मे वैरी. सो आप जो कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हो उसका डिटेल्स आपको खुद ही देखना पड़ेगा, राइट. So you have to register for this course, and if you want to register for many other courses you can do it instead of घर पे बैठ के YouTube या कोई फिल्म वगैरह देखने से अच्छा है तो ये आप कोर्सेस कर लो. सो इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर यू. 1000 फीस इज नॉट अ बिग डील, नो. 3 महीने आपको सीखने के लिए मिल रहा है. 3 महीने का हमारा रिचार्ज भी होता है ना, नियर अबाउट 500-600 का, बट यहाँ पे आपको सीखने के लिए मिल रहा है, राइट. सो इट इज़ नॉट मच मोर वर्थ इनके आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फीस नहीं है. अगर 1000 का हम ड्रेस भी खरीदी करते हैं ना मोस्टली, so you can pay for that and you can give the exam and you will get a certificate. Okay, let me show you all the courses. So in this all the courses, how you have to search it, directly you can go via the list is given. You have to here you can see final course list, timeline and enrollment are closed for July 2021. Okay, now they are going to open another courses. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको सभी courses मिलेंगे. Okay, all the courses related to physics, engineering and mathematics and filmography and artificial intelligence, data analysis, history, geography, every type of courses are available. Languages also there, biochemistry, you can see बायोइलेक्ट्रिकल केमिस्ट्री, बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, बेसिक्स लॉ के भी कोर्सेस हैं, right? And there are so many other courses are there, and so you can see computational of fluid dynamics. It is useful for me when actually I have my research topic is in fluid dynamics. So consumer behavior, you can see corrosion, data analysis for biologists, database management, dealing with material data, right? So everything, as we are in a online mode and we are completely surrounded by social media and everything, we must know what is data analysis, what is our software, what is artificial intelligence. We are not having much more time क्योंकि 11 से 5 यहाँ पे ही टाइम जाता है, घर पे जाने के बाद घर के काम होते हैं now. So you should register for these type of courses. You will be very up to date there if you are going to register and if you are going to complete all the courses. Okay, you can have discrete mathematics courses, economic growth of development. आप ऐसे भी कोर्सेज कर सकते हो ई बिजनेस का, क्योंकि अभी जॉब्स वगैरह का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ना. I don't think so government is going to give a job to anyone. So you have to see these type of courses. You can start your own business. You can go you can also register for the courses like stock market, share market, money markets is also there. Share market से बड़ा होता है money market. So you can go for those type of courses and take the knowledge from them, and then you can earn many more things. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to register with the help of your any Gmail, and mobile number should also be there, and you have to register as a student now. Let me show you how to select a mentor. This is what my profile. You can edit your profile at any time whenever you are going to register for the course. And if I go on my courses, so here is my courses, and then you have to go for go to course basic real analysis. Then you have to select a mentor. Actually मुझे अभी allocate नहीं किया है. हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में एक फैकल्टी है जो सभी को allocate करते हैं. Just like all the teachers are there, teachers from the maths, stat or physics, they are going to allocate as a mentor. So here you can have an option for mentor. You have to select myself as a mentor whenever you are going to register for the course. जेव्हा त्यांनी मला अलोकेट करतील की मी ह्या कोर्ससाठी मेंटर आहे तुमची, तेव्हा तुम्हाला माझं नाव दिसेल इथे. ओके. Yes, any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
for this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, how many of you registered for this? Registration केलात का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to select the course. You can select many other courses also. If you want to do any other courses, you can go for the courses. Now, I have to show that whenever you are going to go for these courses, if you select me, then I am able to see that how many of you have done the assignment. Okay. So every day I will have a, okay, I will show for the last one, which the second year student has done this. So I will get whatever the data, how many student has given the assignments, how many of them you completed all the assignments. So all the data will come to me. Okay, so let us go for this basic research. Animation, artificial intelligence, craft theory. Right. It was, I think, complex analysis and basic linear algebra. So you can see here Menti list means what? The list of all the students who has registered for this course. Okay, so you can see the name of students and how many students has given the all the assignments. You can see their marks also. Okay, so totally these number of student has been registered and they have given all the assignments. किसी स्टूडेंट ने किए है स्टार्टिंग में या किसी ने नहीं किए, तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट यू वी आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली हम लोग ये कंपलसरी भी करने वाले थे, ये एग्ज़ाम आपको देना ही है, बट सम स्टूडेंट्स have some problem that's why we haven't done a compulsion. But I suggest that spending 1,000 rupees for getting a certificate from IIT or NITs, it is not much more difficult, no? ड्रीम असेल ना तुमचा कुठल्या तरी IIT किंवा NIT मध्ये आपलं एज्युकेशन झालं पाहिजे किंवा ॲटलिस्ट PhD, so you can do it and it will be effective in your resume also. आपका जब भी CV आपके इंटरव्यू के लिए आप बनाओगे तो that's time it will be useful. So here I have a details of every student. So here you can see week 0. So in the week 0 how many lectures are there? So you can see number of lectures are there, field of complex number, and this dot denotes that you have completed whole lecture. अगर आप पूरा लेक्चर देखते हो तो वहाँ पे डॉट होता है, अगर आप लेक्चर नहीं देखते हो वहाँ पे डॉट नहीं दिखाता है, राइट? सो असाइनमेंट 1 दिसतंय ना सगळ्यांना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in the week 2 also you can have the problem session. Then अगर आप नहीं असाइन या वीडियो अगर आप नहीं देखते हो तो यहाँ पे ये ब्लू डॉट नहीं आएगा, इट विल बी सिंपली लाइक दिस वीक 2 सॉल्यूशन. वीक 2 सॉल्यूशन मैंने देखा ही नहीं है, so that's why it is as it is. Week 3 then you can have a power series, lecture notes are also given. So you can have week 12. Now here I haven't given with all these things. What you have to do now, if you open this, you have to see whole lectures, then it will be blued out. Okay. आपको पूरा लेक्चर देखने के बाद वो डॉट ब्लू हो जाएगा, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट दैट कि कितने लोगों ने सच में लेक्चर्स देख के असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट किए. Depending on that, they are going to give a marking to you. Okay. So just be with that and complete your registration. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And also, whenever they are going to allocate me as a mentor, I will tell you you have to select my name as a mentor so that I can collect your data. And I have to give this data to VC ma'am, because VC ma'am is very uh, much concerned about this Swayam courses. Okay. So she want a registration of every student for the SWAYAM courses and detail of every student, that how many students registered and how many student has completed the assignment and how many of them have given the exams also. Exam बहुत difficult नहीं होता है. They are we are having a center for Solapur also. In the Solapur WIT, all the engineering colleges maybe all of them are going to conduct the exam. It is online or offline depending on the course, and then you will get the certificate if you pass the exam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us go for the next point. Yes, what we have discussed in the last lecture, because from the last 2 days I am not having the lecture on the first year. काय झालं होतं? No one remember this. Hmm. I think we have completed one example, no? about 2 point masses सस्पेंडेड ऑन अ टेबल. एक टेबल पे रेस्ट है और दूसरा सस्पेंड किया. I think we have completed that example. And let us go for the next one. Show that the Lagrange equation of motion can also be written as. That means we are going to see another form for the Lagrange's equation of a motion. Okay. Okay. So what is Lagrange's equation of motion? We know that is g by dt of dou t by dou qj dot minus dou t by dou qj is equals to capital Qj. It can be written as dou t dot by dou qj dot minus 2 times dou t by dou qj is equal to capital Qj. Okay, where t is a kinetic energy and qj is a generalized coordinate. This capital Qj is a component of the generalized force. I hope you remember all this. Now, our aim is to show that this equation can also be written like dou t dot by dou qj dot minus 2 times dou t by dou qj is equals to capital Qj. Okay, so let us start with the proof. So in the proof, first we will write down what is t. T is a function of qj, qj dot and t, correct? In general, we are writing this t is a function of qj, qj dot and t. If you don't remember, you can go for the solution where we have found the Lagrange's equation of a motion. Okay, Lagrange's equation of motion जिथे derive केलं होतं तिथे बघू शकता. Okay, where t is a function of qj, qj dot and t. So first, what we have to do, we have to first find out the t dot. Okay, first we'll find out the first term, that is dou t dot by dou qj dot, and after that we'll find out this one, and then we'll subtract. Okay. So for that, first we'll find out the t dot. How to find out t dot? It is nothing but your dt by dt. Correct. So how to find out t dot? It is nothing but summation over k, as j is already used, so that's why dou t by dou qk into qk dot. Correct. That is, we are going to find out the derivative of this term with respect to qk, then derivative of qk with respect to t. बरोबर? We are going to use a chain rule, no? Because t is a function of qj, qj is a function of a t. Similarly, plus next term, summation over k. Why summation over k? Because we know that j is running for the values 1, 2, up to so on, n. Correct? Again, j summation dou t by dou qj dot or qk dot and derivative of qk dot with respect to t. That is qk double dot. बरोबर? Plus last term derivative of t with respect to t. Okay, let us write down this as equation 2. Simply we have found the value of a t dot. If you still don't understand, let me show you how it works. Right? So first, if you are going to evaluate this, कैसे evaluate करोगे आप? Derivative t with respect to q1 and derivative q1 with respect to t, correct? Plus derivative t with respect to q2 and derivative q2 with respect to t. Here using the ordinate derivative, total derivative use करें. Why? Because we are having q1 is a function of t only, but here we have a chain rule, partial derivative, right? T is a function of q1, q1 is a function of t. We are using a chain rule, correct? So for this one, you have this whole complete up to dou t by dou qn and derivative qn with respect to t, correct? So in this way, you have to evaluate the derivative. Any doubt for the evaluation of derivative for the equation 2?
No, ma'am.
So let us go for the next one, dou t dot by dou qj dot. That is, we have to find out t dot with respect to qj dot. What is the derivative? So with respect to qj dot, we have to evaluate. So at that time, what you have to do, we have to make a use of a chain rule, correct? Because we know that t is a function of a qj dot and t, right? That means suppose any f is a function of x y z, right? Its derivative will also be a function of x y z. Yes or no? Suppose I am finding a function f which is a function of x y z, and if I find the derivative of a function f, then that derivative will also be a function of xyz, no? Maybe xyz eliminate हो जाएगा. Suppose at least one term. Suppose you have the function like f is equals to x square yz, correct? And if you find dou f by dou x, what is the derivative? 2xyz. So still it is a function of xyz. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also you can see this dou t by dou q. अगर आपको derivative t dot का लेना है with respect to qj dot, so as t is a function of qj dot, its derivative, that is dou t by dou qk, will also be a function of qj dot. So you have to use a chain rule for this. Okay, but here no need to do that. First we'll evaluate for the first term. Okay, for the first term, how you are going to evaluate this summation over k as it is, and derivative with respect to qj dot, it will be written as dou t2 dot by dou qj dot, and this dou qk as it is, and this qk dot will be as it is, correct? Plus next term, what is the next term? This dou t by dou qk as it is, correct? And derivative of this qk dot, that is derivative of qk dot with respect to qj dot, and which is nothing but your chronicle delta. Yes or no? आठवत है ना chronicle delta?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus next term. What is the next term? Plus summation over k. Now you have to evaluate the derivative of this term. That is, you can have qk dot and qj dot, this qk double dot as it is, because this qk double dot is not involving any qj dot, क्योंकि आप derivative qj dot से ले रहे हो, right? So it is not in function, क्योंकि आप qk dot as it is, qk double dot को आप constant की तरह treat कर सकते हो, but यहाँ पे क्या था? qk dot. So that's why we have taken a multiplication rule for the derivative. Okay, so here in this case we can write down this dou 2t by dou qk dot dou qj dot into qk double dot as it is, correct? Plus last term dou 2t by dou t as it is, and here dou qj dot, correct? So simply we have found this term. Okay, now we have to use a chronicle delta. आठवते का सगळ्यांना dou qk dot by dou qj dot. How to evaluate this term? Let me show you. Dou qk dot divided by so derivative with respect to qj dot. How to evaluate this? First you have to run the summation for k or summation for q. That is so dou q1 dot with respect to q1 dot first. right? And then q1 we are going to fix this q1 dot with respect to q2 dot. Okay, derivative क्या है ना क्या आएगा यहाँ पे q2 dot, it will be 0 now. Just
Yes,
like
ma'am.
suppose we are finding the derivative of x1 with respect to x2 plus first term is x1 derivative with respect to x1 plus derivative of x1 with respect to x3 and so on. In this way, first you have to fix x1, then you have to fix x2. x2 fix derivative with respect to x1, then x2 with respect to x2 plus derivative of x2 with respect to x3 and so on, continuing in this up to n terms, right? So in this way you have to find out the derivative. Okay, so that chronicle delta will work and we will get the resultant as 1 only if derivative is x1 with respect to x1, x2 with respect to x2, all other will be 0. Yes or no? माहिती आहे ना सगळ्यांना डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं काढतो आपण.
Yes, ma'am.
So with the help of that, we are going to write down this dou t dot by dou qj dot is equal to, let me write down the first term as it is, summation over k dou 2 t by dou qj dot into dou qk, sorry, dou qj dot dou qk and this qk dot as it is plus summation over k and this term as it is, and here it is working as a delta jk or delta kj plus next term again this will be as it is summation over k dou 2 t by dou qk dot into dou qj dot into qk double dot plus dou 2 t by dou qj dot dou t, correct? Now we know the term about the delta qj, it will be equal to 1 or 0. So running over delta qj, like somewhere this qj will be the pi n array delta kj after running the summation over k, this k will be equal to somewhere j and we get the result. Okay, so after running the summation it will be equal to either 1 or 0. So let me write down this as it is, that is just removing the delta kj because it is either equal to 1 or 0, and this summation will also be eliminated now because after running the summation itself you are going to get it as a 1 and otherwise it is 0, correct? So mostly you will get dou t by dou q1, dou t by dou q2, dou t by dou q3 like this. Okay, so let me name it as some equation number 3 for this because we have found the first term. Correct? No, we have to find out the another format for this. So yeah, इस equation को हमें solve करना है, correct? So for solving this equation, first we have found the first term. Now what is our aim to find out? We have to find out the value of this one dou t by dou qj. Okay. So before that, first we'll find out dou t by dou d by dt of dou t by dou qj dot, correct? And then we will find out the resultant क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हो, राइट? यहाँ पे क्या है dou t by dou qj and here also we have dou t by dou qj. So these term we can eliminate. So for that first we'll find out this one and then we'll find out this one d by dt of dou t by dou qj dot. Okay. So first we'll find out d by dt of dou t by dou qj dot. So for that one to evaluate this one, what we will assume, let x is equals to dou t by dou qj dot, so that taking a derivative will become easier for us, right? As we know that t is a function of qj dot and t, so again can I say x is also a function of qj dot and t? Just now explain, no? as suppose your f is a function of some variable, so f dash may, or you can say dou f by dou x will also be a some function of those variable, right? In general हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. So how to take a derivative of this? That is, if you want to evaluate the derivative this one, so how to evaluate this derivative? D by dt as it is होगा, right? D by dt will be as it is, and x with respect to qj dot will be equal to, sorry, that is x is nothing but your dou t by dou qj dot. So I will just put here x only. Okay, your x is nothing but dou t by dou qj dot. Okay, are you getting me? Instead of solving this one, क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will solve dx by dt, correct? Considering x be a function of qj dot and t. So for that dx by dt will be equal to, हे स्टेप कळाली का सगळ्यांना? फक्त एक
Yes, ma'am.
सबस्टिट्यूशन केलंय, डो टी बाय डो एक्स डो क्यूजे डॉटला एक्स अज्युम केलंय, सो दॅट वी कॅन इव्हॅल्युएट द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इझिली. So dx by dt will be equal to, considering x be a function of qj dot and t, again we will evaluate with the help of a chain rule, that is summation over k as it is, x with respect to qk and derivative of qk with respect to t, plus next term summation over k derivative of x with respect to qk dot and derivative of qk dot with respect to same term, that is qk double dot it will be, correct? Dx by dt we are evaluating, plus last term x with respect to t. ओके, qk डॉट ऑलरेडी है ना यहाँ पे, qj डॉट का डेरिवेटिव आप अगर आप सेकेंड टाइम लोगे तो इट विल बी qk डबल डॉट, करेक्ट? नाउ वी नो दैट व्हाट वी नो, dx by dt को हमने अज्यूम क्या किया था, दिस इज नथिंग बट d by dt ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t with respect to qj dot. So whenever you have x, just put up the value of x and you will get the result. Summation over k as it is, so it will be dou 2 t by dou qk and here qj dot, correct? Just I am substituting the value of x, qk dot plus summation over k as it is, dou 2 t by dou, here it is qk dot and qj dot plus next term dou 2 x by dou t by here dou qj dot and dou t, correct? Now let me name it as some equation 4. Okay, now subtracting equation 4 from 3 we get, subtracting equation 4 from 3, equation 3 माहिती आहे तुम्हाला, dou t dot by dou qj dot. Okay, so let me write subtracting equation 4 from 3. So what is your equation number 3? That is nothing but your dou t dot by dou qj dot, that big equation we have solved, minus equation 4 क्या है, dou d by dt of x, x क्या है यहाँ पे, derivative of t with respect to qj dot. Okay, so what you can get, let me see the similarities, what is there in equation number 3 and 4. So first term summation over k dou 2 t by dou qj dot dou qk into qk dot, the same term is there, so these two terms get cancelled. और यहाँ पे क्या है second term, summation over k dou 2 t by dou qj dot dou qk dot. So again you can get the same term here, this is dou 2 t by dou qk dot qk double dot, so this term will get cancelled, this first term is also going to get cancelled, correct? समजता है ना सगळ्यांना ही term?
हो मॅम.
So here this term get cancelled, and the last one dou t2 dou 2t by dou t dou qj dot. And here also the last term. Is the last term here we get this term dou 2t by dou qj dot dou t. So what is the term remaining here? This one only. Correct? So this is what actually after running the summation over k, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा रब नहीं किया था, summation over k रन करने के बाद क्या आएगा, delta jj. So this k will be equal to j only. Correct? So we get the term, all the terms will get cancelled except we have dou t by dou qj. Okay? So now we can write this as dou t dot by dou qj dot minus dou t by dou qj is equal to, this term will be t by dt of dou t by dou qj dot. Okay, now we have to substitute this in our Lagrange's equation of a motion. What is our Lagrange's equation of motion? This is what our equation. The value of this term we have to substitute. Okay, इसका वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट किया है ना, d by dt of dou t by dou qj dot. Okay, this value we have to substitute in our Lagrange's equation of a motion. Okay, first let me write down Lagrange's equation of a motion. What is the equation? D by dt of dou t by dou qj dot minus dou t by dou qj is equals to capital Qj. So here I will just substitute its value. Let me name it as some equation 5. Using equation 5 in Lagrange's equation. Okay, using equation 5 in the Lagrange's equation, we get, that is what is the equation? Dou t dot by dou qj dot, instead of d by dt we have to write minus dou t by dou qj as it is, minus, ओके ये वाला टर्म को हमने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, करेक्ट, एंड दिस माइनस डो टी बाय डो क्यू जे एज इट इज विच इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल क्यू जे, करेक्ट. So now you can write down this as dou t dot by dou qj dot minus 2 times dou t by dou qj is equal to capital Qj. This may be question for MCQ or this may be a question for your theory also. That is, you have to write down the another format of Lagrange's equation of a motion. समजते काय केलं तर आपण, simply we have found the value for two terms. What are those two terms? Firstly we have found the value for t dot and dou t dot by dou qj dot, and after that we have found the equation number 4, that is d by dt of dou t by dou qj dot, and just do the subtraction. Okay, lengthy है process but it is easy, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है ना. Simply find out the derivative, take the subtraction, cancel the common terms, and then just put up in Lagrange's equation of motion and you get the result. Okay, no need to just by heart this, simply you have to remember the two objects. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको दिया है both equation. First find out the value of this term and then subtract and you will get the result. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the next lecture, we will find out the kinetic energy as a homogeneous function of the velocity. Okay, let us stop here because this will not be completed in this lecture. So that's why let us end the lecture. We will see in the next lecture kinetic energy as a homogeneous function of the generalized velocity. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good. If you have any problem, you can ask about my teaching or anything else. And after completion of this first unit, we are going to conduct one internal of 20 marks. Only 2 or 3 theorems are remaining. After this, I will declare the internal exam. Okay. So you should be in continuation of the study. Okay. So 20
Okay.
marks exam will be there, 80 marks theory exam. So combinedly it will be 100 marks plus Next thing I want to tell you that if you qualify the internal, then only you can give the theory exam. Okay, that means theory exam दे सकते हो आप, but it will not be counted. अगर आप internal fail हो और theory exam दे रहे हो तो it is completely zero. If you pass the internal, then only you can go for the theory exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I hope you are going to register. Everyone, you should register for the Swayam courses. And after, I would tell you that you have to select myself as a mentor.